Okay, so you are online students, you're scattered across the country, you can't come into the Baltimore Library. How are you going to get a commentary that's a book? Well, we do have some resources for you. It's not as much as I would like, but here I am on the Grace Christian University Baltimore Library website. And here are our smiling librarians, Jeff Broderick, the library director, and Aaron Hubner, the student services librarian. In my instructions for this week, I suggested that students contact her. She can give you help. Now, if you were here in Grand Rapids and going to go in and look for a paper book, you would click the catalog. Probably most of the time when you're searching from wherever you are, you click on databases, which I'm going to go ahead and click here. It was a different color because I already had before I started making the video. And research databases of Baltimore Memorial Library, we've been focusing on the theological database, the ATLA database. And so that's EBSCOhost here. So I click EBSCOhost all databases. But now this might be different from what you usually do. You probably usually click ATLA religion database with ATLA serials. But the next one down says ebook collection EBSCOhost. I click there. And this is a place where I can find full books online. It's a little bit limited. I'm sorry, it's not everything I would like, but especially for this assignment, I've been using the Gospel of John in some of my illustrations. So if I put in the words commentary and John, just to start off, I might have to change my search some. Well, first I get this theological commentary, evangelical perspectives. I didn't know what that was. I took a look at it, didn't help us out. Looks like a good book, but it doesn't help us. But look at this, commentary on the Gospel of John, chapters 13 to 21, commentary on the Gospel of John, chapters 1 through 5, 6 through 12. And these are full books. Now I look at these. This is a Roman Catholic commentary, which is okay. You may find some good, useful stuff in there. It's not organized like I'm used to commentaries being organized, so I'm going to leave that behind for the moment and just point out that in this book search, we have the Oxford Bible Commentary. Now, that's from Oxford University in England. It's going to be quite scholarly. It's not going to be very conservative. It's might not be quite sure that you can believe the Bible. I haven't looked at any of it, so I shouldn't comment too much, but just a fair warning. But this is a commentary on the whole Bible, and I actually clicked the wrong link. I'll go over here to PDF full text, and there's the Oxford Bible Commentary, and I scroll down through it just like scrolling, flipping through the pages of the book. And here's the contents. There's contents for every book of the Bible, and there's even the apocryphal books that most of us don't consult and aren't printed in our Protestant Bibles. But then here's the New Testament, and you can find the book of the Bible that you're looking for and look up your passage. So that's a whole Bible commentary. We saw the 3-volume set on the Gospel of John. Let me try something else here. Let me try Commentary Romans. There's a commentary on the Epistle of Romans by Abelard. That's an ancient commentary. Epistle of the Romans, Longenecker, New International Greek Testament Commentary. Got to be able to read Greek to do that one. Romans by Grant Osborne. Now, there's a professor from the seminary where I did my PhD. I can click on that. And I've got, here's another book to go through. And if I'm working on Romans, there's one I found. Let's see here. Yeah, there's several commentaries here. Well, that's not a commentary on Romans, and that's not a commentary on Romans. So you got to read carefully. And this is a limited resource, but for this assignment, you need to get 5 commentaries. You might be able to get 1 or 2 here, depending on the book you're looking at. I'll show you one more thing while I'm thinking about it. I ran into this the other day. I just searched Bible backgrounds. The IVP Bible Background Commentary, New Testament. So if you're looking for an Old Testament passage, this one doesn't help you. But again, you've got the whole book here, and this will have every passage in the New Testament in it. Can recommend it to you. So, yeah, you can find electronic copies of commentaries through the Baltimore Library.